Used to seeing sightings of alligators really all over our area.
Right, but what do you do if you were to see one? The Now's Nicole Grigg went out with a gator guide today to show us the best way to avoid them and how to react if you come across one.
You're not likely to see a sign like this at every body of water to remind you about gators here in Florida.
So every body of water potentially could have alligators, even this, neighborhood swamp behind me.
Captain Phil Walters takes people out on guides on this boat for alligators, but you don't have to go too far to see one. They're in storm drains, lakes. I got this video last month of a gator going down the Hillsborough River, and today this one was trapped off Highway 301.
They generally don't want anything to do with you. They don't want to get close to you. They're not going to hunt you down.
The FWC says there's 7 unprovoked gator bites a year requiring medical attention. But the odds of getting attacked is 1 in 2.5 million. So what do you do if you see one on land? Walk away, but be careful not to get in between the gator and the water because that's his escape route. As for if you're bit, it's impossible to open its jaws.
If one should bite you, the only thing I can tell you from there is you better grab him and hold on so he doesn't take what's in his mouth with him when he goes to roll.
You also need to know they're most active at sunrise and sunset.
They also feed at night. They're more active at night than during the day.
As for how many gators there are, that's hard to say, but we can tell you the state had more than 13,000 nuisance alligator complaints just last year. For the Now, I'm Nicole Grigg.
All right, Nicole, and here's some insight into how often unprovoked gator attacks actually happen in Florida. According to Fish and Wildlife, as of March of last year, 373 unprovoked attacks. You see it right here. Now, of those victims, 257 needed some sort of medical attention. 22 people have died as a result of those attacks. Now, among those people, 8 were children. This might surprise you too. Back in 1977, that was when we had the most unprovoked attacks at 13. There have been another 220 people bitten by gators in provoked incidents.